in effect from late Monday night through Tuesday morning. Freeze watch remains in effect from late Monday night through Tuesday morning. What? For the extreme cold watch, dangerously cold wind chills as low as 15 possible. For the freeze watch, sub-freezing temperatures as low as 32 possible. Where? Coastal Cameron, Coastal Kennedy, Coastal Willacy, Inland Cameron, Inland Willacy, Northern Hidalgo, Southern Hidalgo, and Starr counties. When? From late Monday night through Tuesday morning. Impacts, frostbite and hypothermia will occur if unprotected skin is exposed to these temperatures. Death is possible to unprepared people and pets. An extended period of freezing temperatures could cause ruptured water pipes. Take steps now to finish protecting cold-sensitive plants and crops. Frost and freeze conditions could damage crops, another sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Dress in layers, including a hat, face mask, and gloves if you must go outside. Death is possible to people exposed to the extreme cold. Rush to completion prevent water pipes from freezing. Wrap or drain or allow them to drip slowly. Drain in ground sprinkler systems, drain swimming pools, and cover above ground pipes. Make sure outdoor animals have a warm, dry shelter, food, and unfrozen water. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates. Sensitive outdoor plants may be damaged by frost if left uncovered. High rip current risk now in effect through Monday afternoon. What? Dangerous rip current